Greetings everyone, welcome back to Get Drade Tips. In this video, we'll discuss how to resolve the slow motion issue in WWE 2K24. Many users encounter this problem and we'll explore how to fix it. First off, we need to make some adjustments in the game settings, specifically turning off VSync and modifying the refresh rate. Let's delve into the game to demonstrate these steps. Once in the game, navigate to the Settings menu. We'll reduce the audio to avoid copyright issues. Click on play and wait for the game to load completely. Then, proceed to the settings. Under Options, select Extras and then Graphics Settings here. Ensure that VSync is turned off. Additionally, adjust the action camera FPS to 60 or according to your system's configuration. Note that the refresh rate may not be adjustable for some users. After saving the settings, close the game. Next, adjust your Windows display settings to 60 Hz. Open the Settings menu. Go to System and select Display. Ensure that the display resolution is set to 60 Hz. If the issue persists, consider updating your graphics card drivers. Links for both NVIDIA and AMD users are provided in the description. Download and install the appropriate drivers, then restart your system. Another troubleshooting step involves turning off Timer Game Update in the game's configuration file. Navigate to the Documents folder, locate the WWE 2K24 folder, and open it. Disable Timer Game Update in the configuration file and save your changes. If the problem persists, you can try renaming the configuration file or verifying the integrity of game files through the game's properties. Finally, ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date by checking for updates in the Settings menu. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the slow motion issue in WWE 2K24. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you in the next video. Peace out.